Alright guys, so today we got an awesome video, if I can catch, from our friends at Boost Auto here again. So obviously I like their products. I got their tow mirrors, I got their mirror caps, I got their painted mirror caps, I got their tinted mirror lenses, lights, and then I also have their S-Series cab lights that are painted to match also. So we like Boost Auto products here. So they came out recently with the license plate lights for these Ford Super Duties. I believe you can do the whole way from probably like 99 to 16. I believe you can, because you can retrofit. Obviously I have newer style tail lights in this for like the newer steel bodies, so I retrofitted them. So pretty simple. This is my like third set of aftermarket Amazon cheap ones that I have in this. So we'll go ahead and turn them on. That's what they currently look like. As you can see, they're pretty bright and they got the red markers on them. Installation's pretty simple. We're gonna go ahead and throw these ones in. Let's open the box up here. Obviously designed, tested, validated in Northern Illinois, right on the box here. Pretty simple. 2 lights, pretty sure they're only like 50 bucks. Pretty simple plug. You can plug them in either way. Look at all the LEDs in there. Lots of LEDs. Boost Auto right on it. Like all their products say Boost Auto on them. We'll go ahead and leave them on. You don't really have to get underneath here, but you can. So pretty much you just need to push the old ones out. We're gonna go ahead and compare these old Amazon ones to the Boost Auto ones. Okay, so you're probably gonna need a screwdriver for the removal. Again, these are not factory, these are aftermarket. The factory ones will probably be a little bit easier, but you always worry about fitting them with aftermarket, but these ones are pretty stout. Get it pulled out. Again, installation is very simple. It is just a little plug. You can just reach under. And I'll show you the plug. Just like this, it's actually just a 194 plug. See it? Plug it right in. Bam, already on. Throw it in there. These are very sleek, very slimline compared to these. Obviously they don't have the red accent lights on the back side, but they are very nice and square and sleek and like slimline. They almost kind of look a little bit factory. The factory ones are more of like a rounded dome, but they provide about the same amount of light, honestly. And to be honest, these will probably last way longer than these Amazon ones because they're actually quality Boost Auto ones. So you're probably not gonna have to worry about buying another set. So there you go with that. We got the Boost Auto license plate lights for the older Ford Super Duties that I know for a fact you can run up to 16s because they all have the same bumper lights. But there you go, a little comparison video on the aftermarket Amazon ones versus the Boost Auto. So thanks guys, and stay tuned for some more videos.